This is our Wells Index. Running the program now. 3-axis CNC.
It is 4th axis ready.
4th axis ready.
Right here.
There's the cord for the 4th axis. There's the Kurt Power drill bar. Nice. Nice Wells Index. Runs real smooth.